Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add object push transition in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Apple Keynote software. Then you can see here are my Keynote presentation. Here are many slides of this presentation. Now go to the first slides and you can see here are transition menu. Now go transition menu. You can see here a drop down menu and click this. Now we can search our object push transition now, and you can see here our object push transition and click this. Now you can change duration or direction in case or decrease this. You can change left to right, right to left. Now I'm choose right to left and change start transition on click or automatically. Now I'm choose on click. Now object push transition apply all slides. 3 slides, 4. Now go to the first slides and you can see here at slideshow menu. Now I'm click this. Now click mouse and you can see here our object push transition in these slides. Now you can see add object push transition in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.